In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the product URL on Shopify. This is a simple task that can help you customize the links of your products to make them more user-friendly or better suited to your SEO needs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to locate the left panel on your Shopify admin dashboard. This panel is where you'll find various options for managing your online store. Among these options is Products, which is where we're heading right now. Go ahead and click on that to open up the product page. Once you're on the products page, you'll see a list of all the products in your store. This is where you'll decide which products you want to edit. To do this, simply click on the checkboxes next to the products you're interested in. Selecting these checkboxes will tell Shopify you want to include these products in a bulk edit. If you have a specific URL in mind for several products, this is a handy feature that lets you edit them all at once. Now that you've selected your products, look towards the top of the list. You should see an option that says Bulk Edit. Click on this and it will direct you to the bulk editor. If you're familiar with spreadsheet tools, the view here will look quite similar to you. It's a table format that displays each product and its details in separate columns, allowing you to efficiently manage and edit product information in one place. In the bulk editor, your next step is to adjust the columns being displayed. Move your attention to the top right of the screen where you'll find an option labeled Columns. Click on it and you'll see several properties that you can choose to display in the editor. Make sure to enable URL handle from this list. Enabling this feature will allow you to see and edit the current URL of each product. All you need to do is ensure there's a check mark next to it. Now that you've enabled the URL handle, your spreadsheet will update to show the URL handles of the selected products. Simply find the URL column and click on it to change the URL handle for each product as needed. You can customize these to be more descriptive or align better with your e-commerce strategy. Remember, keeping your URLs clear and relevant can be beneficial for both your customers and your search engine rankings. And that's it. With these few steps, you can effectively change the product URLs on Shopify. Not only is this process straightforward, but it also gives you the flexibility to organize your products in a way that makes the most sense for your business. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!